Maybe there's another one.
We have to go to the pool and come back.
Did you get the picture of that cloud coming in?
Woo!
Splash, splash, splash.
To go to the pool.
A minute and a half.
I know. We'll have to come back. We'll have to go to the pool. Hey, Stan. Hi, Dad.
Good job. You do it again? You want to do it again? All right, kick. Kick those legs. Kick those legs. Kick, kick, kick. Go, 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 go. Tap on swim, swim, swim. We'll let you go.
Yay!
Good job, Kinsley. Come, swim to me, swim to me.
I thought she was going to swim.
Swim all the way to the stairs. Kick those legs. Kick. Good job. Keep kicking.
I'm going back to the beach.
Oh, she'll get it. Kinsley, get it. Thank you. Oh, trickster. Oh, trickster. Okay, it's not funny anymore. Y'all started out really good. What's up? I get the camera out and y'all are terrible. Terrible. Oh no. Oh, she got that one. Thank you, Kinsley. Throw it to mommy. You're gonna have to fast forward all this. Oh, look at that face. Look, now she wants to give it to y'all. Play. Good. 3. Off the bounce. 1, 2, 3. Help, Kinsley, help. Help. All right, give mommy. Well, do what y'all did. Just y'all stop playing. Y'all are done. Act like y'all are done playing, and she'll. No pressure. Holy crud! Look at that.
What is that?
What is that? He's like, That's a jetpack of water.
Yep.
It's like, I don't think, you can't see it good on this one. Get that, take a picture maybe.
It's called a jet lab.
We got a jet lab, everybody.
You can go underwater like 8 feet.
Whoa.
Go up in the air like 8 feet. Just sucks the water. It sucks the water from the ocean.
That's a lot of water pressure.
Yeah.
You can't see it good on this thing. Yeah.
They're pretty.
It'll probably go forever. And then they hit it and then it gets done.
Okay, go again.
Ready? Here you go. Uh-oh, hit it. Oh. Ready? Go.
Got it. Kinsley, let's go to the ocean. Let's go to the ocean. Woo. Go see the birdies. Birdies. Uh-oh, she's gonna fall in there. You like the ocean? Woo! You're okay? You're okay. Fix your hair. Your hair is all over the place. The hair bow fell out. Look, let's put her foot in the sand. Put your foot in the sand. Like mommy. Look at her. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I was going for a long time. Here she goes. Oh yeah, I'm filming, I forgot. Just trying to take a picture. There you go. Ain't it cutie? You like the ocean? Woo!
I'm washing my hands. They're clean. Look, they're clean.
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 I clean. She does? Baby.
Baby.
Are you saying baby? Where's the baby? Where's your baby? Why your foot stuck? Your foot stuck? And that one too? Oh! Hey! Help, Clay! She needs help.
What did they jump? Woohoo! She's okay.
She's okay? Good.
That was close. Sinking sand. Oh no, Clay, he's sinking.
Oh no! You gotta help Clay.
He's sinking. Pull! Pull!
Yay! Help Dada.
Stop! Oh!
Woo.
Oh, thank you.
Oh no! I'm stuck. Oh! Hey, we're
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yay!
Thank you,
Kids, are we at the beach? You haven't found sunscreen? Babe, get your butt out of there. Dad does not have on sunscreen. Not good. Not good. So we're at the beach, guys. Another day at the beach. Kenzo, are we at the beach? How many you got? One, two. What happened? Look what Clay's. Well, don't look at it yet. She might tear it down. Woohoo, we're at the beach. Hey, go, Dad. Need a little bit more?
Where at?
So you got a hole down there? Ooh, it's got water in it.
Step in it.
Get in?
You gonna jump in it? Whoa!
What's wrong? Water? It's a little chilly. Hey! Looking dark again. Kinsley! What? What? You're cold too? You're cold too? How cold? Hey, we're gonna go and get it's cold out here. It's starting to rain again. But we're at the beach.
Oh, it's moving. Oh my god.
What is that? Do y'all see that? What is it? Go see.
Oh no, that's a log. That's a good.
That's weird because it moved.
I don't know what they're grabbing. Mussels?
They run from the water just like
Yeah.
so funny.
He said he wants to get in there and go deep with you.
With me.
Out there.
I'm not getting in that freezing cold water.
Not back.
Y'all loud. Okay, y'all ready to go on the ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going on the Ferris wheel. Yay!
Are you do this to make money?
Yeah. You ready to go? Yeah.
He laughs like this. What does that?
You're silly.
He'd say the darndest thing. He'd be a perfect candidate.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to make you wait this one.
We're all in one.
Okay. One for all and all for one.
Kinsley, you ready to go? Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Hey.
There you go. Fry's like close to
Fire
the
and say cheese.
Cheese! Here we go! Here we go!
Oh, that was funny.
oh, my back.
Wow, Kinsley, look!
Some
Oh my
high times is worth it, I guess.
It really is.
Stop!
Stop. Look at all the people down there, little bitty.
Yeah, wait till we get up here.
A little bit.
So this is like, oh, it's not even.
Look, it's like-
Yeah.
Wait till we get up in the air. Everything flying down.
Say cheese.
Cheese! Everyone!
Everyone.
Cheese.
Oh my.
Oh, look at the ocean, Kinsley. See the ocean? Uh-oh. I'll fix you. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well,
That's a restaurant?
Yay!
Oh, God.
That's a restaurant?
Y'all want to switch
Restaurant?
sides on this last one?
Hey, Kinsley's. He is a nut. Kinsley, slow down. Wait for Carson. Wait, Kinsley.
He's okay. I'm just used to stuff. He can run into a pole and he's still fine.
Slow down, Kinsley. Stop. Fall over. No, this way. This way. We're going for a ride. This way.
Oh my God, if I wasn't so full, I swear I could eat a funnel cake.
That's my
like-
favorite. I know. Hey, we're on vacation.
Oh, man, I do.
I don't even know why I paid Wardale for them 6 sessions. Carson,
I bet they were good though.
I'll get a henna tattoo.
I know, yeah.
Matching henna tattoo. And they can get one too.
Yeah.
that'd be hilarious
I
if they
would.
got mom and
Yeah.
with a heart or dad. That'd be so funny. Come on.
What are you doing?
She won't let me come out.
What are you doing, Kinsley? Let's go. Go sit up there with Carson and take your picture.
Guard, he's about to do karate. Did you guys see that?
Oh no!
Seriously! You can't give Clay a hug now.
Watch out, buddy.
So, it's so funny to watch back and see what I've vlogged because sometimes I forget and it's so funny. We had so much fun with them. I'm so glad that they got to come down, our friends. We had a lot of fun. Check out yesterday's vlog, and this was our last day, so tomorrow we head home. But stay tuned and check out StylisthHeather.com. Also enter a giveaway and subscribe and comment, and I'll reply, and then like, of course. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.